On the way to fish market. Okay, my driver and my assistant.
Sino assistant?
May madir.
Sumasakay dito.
Okay. Ano tayo? Saan lugar na to?
Deira. Deira, Dubai.
Ha?
Deira, Dubai.
Deira, Dubai. Di ba bawal ng video dito?
Hindi. Wala nang ganung restrictions ngayon. 7 years ago, yes. Sobrang higpit. 10 years ago pala, I mean. Kahit nga chewing gum, bawal eh.
Okay.
Pagsusuot ka ng shorts, bawal.
Ayan na, let's go. Let's go to
Waterfront fish market.
Waterfront Fish Market. Here we go.
Yung dinadaanan mo, ano yun?
Ako nga, ito nga.
Kanay sa akin, full na sa kaka.
Op. Ito.
Dapat i-ano mo, yung tawag na, yung hyperlapse. Hyperlapse.
Including 39 in Gaza City. Israel sent a negotiating team to Qatar ahead of Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's
monetize ka na?
talks toward a ceasefire.
Hindi pa. Wala pa akong
Donald Trump said he believes
17 pa lang subscriber.
could happen this week.
Monetize na ako
The
eh.
ceasefire proposal outlines
Wait lang, mamaya.
a 60-day ceasefire during which Hamas will hand over 10 living and 18 dead hostages. Israeli forces would withdraw
Ba yan?
to a buffer